so ya Sompa 93.1 FM. And then some other banyamba tiano be any. Panyepaya banomremu wabri mu ora Martin Pebu so dia to jet rose. Mampany na do one abedi chire, one for mujumedi ento.
Nanu ada and this amanyo kono a friend some trouble say yamra no fast mentu yanim. Aka hu bi ama o mayi mranim fo nkabom kono kasama for dem awom no. What the assembly to ja na sem no tawaso
Professor Samuel Kwabena enso akasa na watch se ene ya demude wodro ya makwan ya na wurawura ya bambo agina komu no ha twene
ye beko Esitifi South ewo ahafomantam emu dade so aba nursing training school na wo hono no empanifo ye da school na no omo de assembly to ja ma kire se agensam
World Health Organization and ebo amane yi one mo kire se monkeypox awodro na sentam one mo bo amane say ade no abagentere ha no se bre kura de ya agensam
na wode no ho kwaku apia ummuwa ne kukuru ase ya friend koka wode assembly atodwa
afofro bi ka wenom ho ne deba somo sa no pa no sia kase bo ana no panuano mienu ene ate asene medin ene akosia ejewa kwade boaten mene
nana kwabena kese
ensemni private legal practitioner ayepanyipa ye banomremu a wono so abene mu wo magane mu owura Martin Pebu na wabo amane kiro se baabi ya wo man no ankasa mamu ne ho nkontabuo keta shapro ye dwirim ne kankan akwakodu wo magane mu no mampanyi na danko akufuato wona be de kire ba womnia womni bibia se wode twetwa wom ho se wom ankasa be ma won msa so na afa amamu a won mu buo no won ma so na afoforo bi ababatena so wose se wo hwemo pa no a afempemienu ne dunsia 2016 no mampanyi na do abra na wabonto ababa pre mampanyi di bre no se ne na wo se bi ka bomu a ehweta mu kire seketa se pro ye dwurum ne kankan de won ankasa mfane fikire na nkamfanse obi abarete esrema de akire no na sa ne no waka de akere se wobatena konya so a wobeher no atu ase deku ade afro magana mu ya wobatena so nso ye hunu baabi papa bia ya do magana akwakoduru na wenya de foforo afe na abasanse afi apem ahankona duosia enkono no panyipa bi batena konya so ya wo ye bie Lieutenant General Joseph Arthur Ankra wobatena so no keta shere proye dwurum de bia efa na kwam wo sabre no wono ankasa manensa so resign ye wo se brewe mampanyi na do one so kire said ya wakaye no wantumi anye ntibre na so so ode ne dibre enso to
not doing it about domestic violence. You see, so here is the president. Sam, I don't know how many times I have to repeat that. Look, the president just has to go. He has to go. That's what millions of Ghanaian citizens are saying. Look, and if the president doubts it, he can let us have a pool, okay, to be supervised by him. He will see his own people. Try somebody else because he's sure he's not able to. Baumia is also shown he's not able to because the NDA matter. No, he can just voluntarily go, and that would be the best. And he will get an applause. If Kufuor and Baumia step down today, they will get the best applause, and history will, forgive them for all the rot they've superintended over because we will get a new opportunity for somebody else to try. Sam, let me add this point that, you see, because when you do that, Kufuor should remember, Lieutenant General Ankra, he resigned over a bribery allegation to just about $20,000. Maybe if the conversion is wrong. At that time, it was 6,000 cedis. 1969, 6,000 cedis. Ankra left. General Ankra, president of Ghana, head of state, after the Nkrumah, overthrow, blah, blah, blah. He was there as president, okay? He resigned. The Kufuor can learn from that. Baumia can learn from. They should go. The Baumia's right. Teachers are suffering. Doctors are suffering. Lawyers are suffering. Kayaye suffering. Shoemakers suffering. People in Trotro suffering. All because of their corruption. It's their corruption. Some like say 6 billion. And we are going to the IMF.
I was your for way a private legal practitioner or Martin Pebu.
Say oman for kai na omasha so na no fiada no ndi samanyo kro no a eja omote enchen ehwe agokansie no bie no ena mo twotwo for pani wura Johnson e sedu nkatia so mo friends am twotwo se mo mrai na de pani akasa kwa metiatia na abaya tentemo maje na afenso mumbom na montia mu na mansan ente ne yepese ye ka omo asem tentene ne tieta nyina kire so hwe o man ya temu adwuma no a emunye kura kire so wura Justice Akwasi enimi yabo a ya odi animu no papa no wo hunu so wototo niema sensere no basa suli yanko a ampa ho nko a no wobo na omo transesa kase bia papa yi wo mo ampa ho saa kopem se 90 minutes beduru a one we 100 nail and the Bekofie, ne science in Yadia Sababua. Now, a no query no ano, ama wo mayim ranim for so ade some trofo nsem dia babonten ama onam kasama for ade ma wo mo so ro sam and ro Savia Kuji na ro Savia Kuji ade atodwa atere se Ghana for omo ka atere se de ndi samano ko no be na no mo obi amu wo mo ma wo bia mu wo mo empokura no sabo pese mu yi Justice Akwasi anim free office a enye sa akwan no na wo se fa so yentie lawyer Savia Kuji.
Onim high court no your high court back or constitution no per constitution no your high court back some high court no beti matimti assembly criminal and civil administratively no your divisions your land division criminal division commercial divisions any ni aka nyina nanso say asemo land court land case Ubet me the Chief Justice bet mark as a friend commercial court because my commercial court no load in a war no low because high court judge biano a bet to make the assembly high court. Now the fact say more division and no specialization no and say would the land court come high judge in a city or commercial division no until me should be ignored because one I always say would the assembly quarter. Two possible outcome. Either say obe winning and now obe lose. And your football abeka say more about draw. And this and until appeal system wo. And this appeal system wo corner. Pair obe sam could you. Now Supreme Court is so better mark or review. So call reviews now it didn't go in your favor. And say Obetuma disagree, but that is the position of the court. The same way no say all the commercial case so about judge na land division on to me and this answer no I mean huni entina asemi be ya dia mo be so worry. Secondly upon say case aba na akoro appeal judge aba be your high court sadie no normal sometimes chief justice ankasankra betima tina high court at the high court asem enti we dey nya asem bia management say say high court no load no doorso court appeal judges betima abua and they nyasembia and this I inquiry now mo say omo yira no ehun hia
kasama for adema oman mum nanim for nkabom ko no owura Savia Kuji.
Government statistician Professor Samuel Kwabena enim no no so kire se ene kwambone a woma Ghana ni pabiri mo nam so na won mutua damudie ede me mama woma Ghana bambo adwumakuo ni nyumakuo ahodo ehye won mafrom kutu pashe won mo masane ebe ya won betumi anya tumidie ne panyani anya adwumamu aye no wose ha adwene ye papa ene wu hwemu a obi kwa akopɛ kyerɛkyerɛ adwumadie bi ne wodi a kyerɛ wotua damudie wobi kwa akodi la ya won so tua damudie posi adamudie na hwemu kura mpokura dia asrafo dom kura dia yenka wose saa nneoma no nyina no aka ho bi na abori nyina tofo amenne ya bambo adwuma kore ntumi nyina na so enti nkam ye se akwakoye sento bi dia ma oman no a se obi kura mpo wura bambo adwuma kore na afunumu ene ne nneoma mu antumi anhyɛhyɛma nipa no ye adwuma enye na saa ne ntiri wo kade akyerɛ Ghana de hye ne aban no se wɔn nti wo mani fa hwɛ saa de no anya saa pa wo man yi ebedi edem.
Two things that falls within the domain of statistical service, which will definitely need other stakeholders to push us on, are the other issues that are said are in the report but have not been discussed at all or extensively. One of which is the pathways of bribe payment and the rippling effect that it has. The gender dimensions is there. I'm not going to talk about it. The vote buying is there. I'm not going to talk about it. What I want to emphasize is the bribe payment associated with recruitment. What this survey brought to the fore is out of our respondents, 12.5% of them had applied for positions in public service. 25% of them got it. And out of this 25%, we had about 4 out of 10 having either pay bribe or get a job via nepotism or both. My worry here, as I said, is the rippling effect, because it's not just the implications of paying the bribe, but the consequences of getting people who are not competent. And at the end of the day, the effect from the corruption perspective would be compounded by we getting a public service that doesn't have the.
Professor Samuel Kwabena anim na watchra se bribe no kra de anka wotua anka ha dwene se ebenya wan mu a wɔn nsɛm fata sɛnka adwumakuo no kora nkɔm bɛwura mu o nanso nam sɛ adamudeɛ ne wɔ me maame ba no papa ba no ne nti ne na kɔ akɔwura mbɛkɔ akɔwie kyie adwuma no ɛwɔ so yɛ no wankasa na wɔntumi anya amoɔ man no
afei yɛnkɔ ahafo dadeɛ so abae na wokɔ ahafo dadeɛ so aba ya no ɛwɔ Asitifi South na nursing training school yɛ wɔ hɔnom no agyedin yie pa ɛwɔ hɔnom na ɔpani yɛ wɔda school na no no ɛyɛ madam Metelina Tani Kosi ɛna wɔne nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ adi nkɔmmɔ madam Kosi asɛm ne sɛ wode w'ani kyerɛ mu ɛwɔ ahafo yɛ ɛyɛ boroma ntam no mu hɔ saa no a nursing training deɛ nkɔla no gu hɔ paa yɛ adesua nso ɛkɔ so adeɛ baako pɛ ɛne ha wɔ mu nti ɔmo srɛ aban no ada sɛ aban no bɛtumi ayɛ saa de no de ama wɔ mu a nkɔmmɔ no bɛgye yie paa madam asɛm ne sɛ yɛnnua mmaa no a sɛ bosome so na ɔkɔ mfikyire a ɛnam sɛ sukuu kakraka yi yɛnyɛ ho nti wobɔ sɛ na nkɔɔfoɔ bi a wohu baabi pɔte yɛ ɔmo firi na afei nso so wɔaba sukuu mu hɔnom yɛnnua no bu ɔmo nsa wie a abɛɛfo amoasetam a yɛfrɛ no paada a ɛma no de adi dwuma wie no ɔmbosome akwantuo no sɛ bi a adeɛ kye na sɛ bi a wohu sɛ paada bɔɔla so koraa no a na kyɛ sɛ bi a nyame ne pɛ saa ɔbaa no asɛm saa nkɔɔfoɔ no bɛsesa no nyinaa ɛde kɔ ɛna nsase nketenkete wɔ hɔ no so no asa nkɔɔfoɔ bi yɛ piridu saa ba saa na hadwen
The principal kind about we not having fence and also enough facilities in the school. No, it's true because of lack of fence. No, and more free or more free eba hase ebe grass and also people from outside enter our school to pick use sanitary pads, which is very bad. So we are pleading on the government that he should give us a fence wall and build more facilities on campus so that we can also be appreciative for whatever he has done for us.
Da nyankopon ase ene school authorities ase so omugin yetu mu e matriculate ye na megina ye matriculants ni na nemu ne we can say schools rules and regulations
is 607 students, both diploma students and then registered NAC students, so 607, and our challenges are many. Our hostels are still inadequate, even though we had a hostel recently. It's not enough. Here bipa enya ba kokura sesi anke beboaye pa efre no a here fence wall because Moanaba every time in and out of the school, and other people intruders, they walk in and out of the school, they pick things that are needed by the students. Sebi omo parts kura omo befa ewo inside ha ente wall ni here pa because ye nim ade omo di part no eye omo be pick wo ball no ye nim ade omo di ye nti se nya fence wall na ebeboa na nka bibia akuyi mai and if you are staff bangle because ye post staffs ba ha no a omo mpese omo because omudru hana yeni bungalows wo compound ho no a na omo nyina akọ sometimes kura omo mba administration kura omo ba bisa around mu say bi ni ho no a na omo kọ nti yenye bia ye betimi anya staffs no retain no mu wo school ha na nka eboaye. Electricity bill so high we cannot pay. We can't pay even when students are not in. Yan triakra per month. Yan triakra no 10,000. It means 20,000 a month. I feel that is too much for a young school like this to be able to handle. And because of lack of tutors, you find other part-timers. Omo work go so ni should DM ni bibia ni other places. Ama omo abechira dia mai. And yes, I am quiet to me chira because numbers no ni tutors numbers. And the ratio is far apart, and because of that, because so far more as part-timers, from the internally generated funds. The classrooms, because they say no to say you were nursing and midwifery. Nursing and midwifery because you need classroom. Say one classroom and a one hostel. The midwifery you bet me start. Nanka boa area because school no wahano a boa area hapa. Many advantages. Ya kwa holidays a omo bisa mumba ya be na mo beba school na ya juma essay say school nit mi gina ne nan so a ebeboa community ni pa.
Madam Metelina Tani Kosi would want to mu e was Asitifi South ya half mantam no mu a da de so aba nursing training school e ho no ne pani pa ya da no na enu achi ye nua ma ne bi mu so kasai
The principal kind about we not having fence and also enough facilities in the school. No, it's true because of lack of fence. No, and more free omura free eba hase ebe grass na essay and also people from outside enter our school to pick use sanitary pads, which is very bad. So we are pleading on the government that he should give us a fence wall and build more facilities on campus so that we can also be appreciative for whatever he has done for us.
Any school authorities ase so omugin yetu mu matriculate yen na mejina ye matriculants ni na name ne what can say schools rules and regulations no ye bedi so na ye sua ade pa I left the name of the school
we adesua fofoforo kra ye ja wakopie mu ward ade so ba nursing training school and ampanifo and nsam tu dwafa hwi
St. Martin de Porres Catholic Preparatory School ye no watonso S line eno awa so kwa bato mpeso so nano fiada ye twam no na wan mu di career day eno no yesa se bia akoda no wo pese dache wo be nsamtweroni no wo sha tade ne ya dress no kama te se obi a wo ba ba kenkan nsamtwero ho nioma wo ba kan news anaso be presenter ne de kaka ho ebiem sa akoda no pese wo ye kirekire ni nso a ye shara kirekirefo atade nurse ni asere nurse ni atade eno ne ka ne se career day no na eno na bi ko so wo school ni nam so ma wo fonom to nioma de mama won mo ma hye won mo tade akese ne nya asem keto akora na headmaster ye da no wa hwema adwumadie no bopoya no nioma nyina atumi ko kan Reverend Father Solomon akutu na watchro se nyame anim ni sa career day say ya na boa nkoda no bie won madwenem ma abofra bia ye opese dache wakon kan na wodimu no akora no tumi efa na osua nioma
nipa nyina nim se ye fa omasua eyade a ehia emma omabia empuntu enti mofra ne nso a wo musua de e wo yina ase ne nso no wo sa bofra ne hu no botaye ani bibi esi na ni so a eno nti wo tu sa na moyi enti e wo se bibi ehye ni kran e wo na de sua mu enti career de no de ye ne se mofra ne hye different professional attires says adwumadi na medie meye doctor meye nurse meye police meye teacher meye say enti wo hye saade no na hye ni nkran na wo fo nso mo behwe ebie ye nyina nso a ebehwe ebie nso no aba be ye nkran hye soronko ama ye se ene na wo se ye boa mofrai ewo wade suamu na won so saatade a wahye ne nso no won so ebetimi abomodin ase nyame mra wasiesi mu nso no obetimi aba be ye sa adwumadi a wose ho atade eno nti ene ye sa career day afutu soronko amede ma Ghana batan enyina nso ene se oma yenimre na yeninku yemma nyame ede won adom yen ehu it says psalmist anasa nyom e wotro ni mu e kan se wose children are real blessings from the Lord. They are like arrows in the soldier's hand. And happy and blessed are those who have such many arrows, for when they meet their enemies at war, they will never be defeated. Actually, say mofra eya chadias from kwa nyame na they want to yen. And say social media, niema here Twitter, TikTok, ne na sefo abofra timi ebe spend time e phone so TV so abra won nyamre emma ni books ana adesua wose wosua enti sa no eba ne sa emo abofra no edaache ti mesrese emofra nyina nso monfa adesua enya dia eye wonsu ne ye se yesua de abibia na aboa won daache na wonso aba be ye mpanyipa.
Reverend Father Solomon Akochu aye headmaster at the St. Martin de Porres Catholic Preparatory School ye no ewatonsu S line.
NPP amanyo kono asamene se nyame ya adoma 2024 de eye kadu akra ede ma omunti omu break 8 no aka ho bi ama obia ede ne ho agim se omanfo be kai no ma hyane so anano ada na chama wuntumi abato no eba so ewokumase hase no opani ba akwa no ne bre pa se chama wuntumi de kwan bia so be yini to akunwa eye ode ne ho kwaku apia na amanfo bo no mrane koka ena ye se obo aporo kakra nti wonanti ya ne manfo a ewo kodie ene ne mpotemu na eja wo hwesa pomite ntejumadi betumi akoso na afeso masaka bomu nkabo ma hoode nti na wode ato ya kyerese 2024 no de wo so hwe na afeso kabom na otempim kwa animu
Yes,
Ode ne ho kwakwa pia na yete ne nkan na eno achi party no achi tafo ni bi e kasai
so na wo do ma party nti an kabo mu hia no ne bebre nti na wo de ya sa de ko MPP da so won kabo e wo party no nti no ya sa ne me de akwa maka cha mpani fo ni say obi anhye anamo so me did so obi atimi tu sa na mo na enkabo mu no wo ba e betimi abro enkabo me de bia nti me slam for so bia anhye ko ka na mo awo ti na ono so na so nti did say betimi betimi abro
so ka yo bia na wonya didija nti e ma bi ta fa bre just to just in na ye di ya ho de abu akuka na mo de nyame pe no we de oye nti de me ka chire pe no nansa mo ne ko ka nkabu ko ka yo bia o mani na ni je no so me ko ka kabu ba nti be be because in yanka bubu nkabu ne ko na be de ka me nya ka fam tanti pia ma bu se tanti pia ma mu bia o mo ba o mai o so mo ma Ghana o bia ti ye o mo na ni adedija se de NDC di amanfo ko ka idea FPP ye ba ma o mani na ama obia nya so e de o so he fie se se ko so nyina obia be ti de me kanya na se FPP ye ba ma ye bo ma Ghana bia ho to no ti de kanya na se asate region ye nyanya ka bomu se de be ye so bi na break
abusia wei eye NPP amanyoku na chitafo bi ebra owura koka ekopiem e wokode no wonante kakra nkomodie bi efiri ho baaye eno no
Ariasia mansa pomde ko batan World Health Organization and ebo manie yi won mo kire mo sa enei monkeypox yade ye no ne nseso no yakwakwa ese chickenpox no ya ginsemo pa wei eye putupuru hia mudie bi ya World Health Organization won mo de hia so na no wada na won mo bu akonta de kire se amai be se edioson enum 75 countries and America say yade no yi ne tie na eye ne tie kura mpo no cases ahodo ababeda won manimu no empem dunsia 16000 na chese anu oden pa won say yade no mu no yade bi na so se ne esitie no a ekyerkyere owiase amansa no se eni ama ho na amaman ahodo won so anhyase amfa nhyɛ ma pa ngwa kwa mu a anhwe betumi abro COVID-19 no a enne ye hunu se ekunkum ade hye asasa amaman esikasam ye jina we so ne den sam nyina asi kukuwa jando Veronica akosua somoa wo hene ni amakranches of mami premeni enafe nana ya obo amalibia boga afia eje wakode mofi won mu nyina na kabo mu ekruchi nsem no woko MC so a David Akiola school fees PK Rocky Rexford enafe kechre nana ya o ene Godfred ene nkai ni nyina na dombo aye ma yede kase bone ba aye nsem fo panyi oro santi ebo Benedict ono so esemu medi ene akosia ejiwa akwade boaten mene
nana kwabra kese soro so mafache dwumadie no aba wakwam nyame asomde nkan nyina no pay